All right, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I got a cool one for you to see today. And this is no kidding. You're not going to see something like this at every car show for sure. They're very rare. But before I show you the car, be sure to hit that subscribe button. 90% of my subscribers are not, viewers are not subscribed. So do me a favor and hit that button. But anyway, enough of that. Let's talk to the owner here. My name is Craig. Show me your car.
I'm James.
James, nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
You got this really cool car here. What kind of car do you got?
We have a 1977 Volkswagen Type 2. It's the Campmobile Deluxe.
A Campmobile Deluxe, huh?
Yes.
What makes it a deluxe?
I guess it came with all the gadgets. It's got a sink, stove, working refrigerator.
Cool.
We got city power, city water on the side.
Really? Well, we'll walk around and check all that stuff out for sure. I like where they put the spare tire at. I guess they didn't have her any other spot to put it.
There's another one inside.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, that's kind of cool. Yeah.
I don't know if that's where they originally came. I don't think they came with that on the nose.
Yeah.
Because the metal's pretty thin up front.
Oh, okay.
But whoever had this before me put that on there.
Oh, nice. I see you got these little eyebrows on the lights. That's kind of cool. Definitely.
Added my own little touches here and there.
Oh yeah, why not? For sure. Now, are these like fog lights down here?
They are.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, well heck, that's kind of cool. Kind of adds to it, doesn't it?
Yes.
Very neat, for sure.
For when I'm speeding down dirt roads.
Oh yeah, when you're out in the middle of the woods getting ready to go camping?
Yep.
Yeah, for sure. This is really neat, how you got that popped up there.
So there's a bed up top.
All right. Oh yeah, see what you're saying up there. Check that out. How many people does this thing sleep? Would you say?
I would say 4.
Okay.
My wife and I have slept here on the bottom. That bench seat folds down into a bed.
Okay.
And we've slept there. My daughter slept up top.
Oh, nice. Nice. Now I see what's this got a little swivel table here?
It does. That will swivel around.
Yeah.
And come right out here in the middle.
Oh man, that's cool. Oh, and it's got a little leaf thing on it to make it bigger, huh?
So that'll fold out another 10 inches, 8 inches.
Wow, that's kind of neat. For sure.
Underneath that, you can see that's where the refrigerator is in that little corner there.
Okay, under the towel or to the right of the towel? To the right of the towel?
Yeah.
Okay, I see the door there, so.
Pops open and then.
Oh, okay, it's actual refrigerator, not a cooler, huh?
Correct. Yep.
Well, that is cool.
It operates just off of city power, and there's a coach battery in the back that it'll run off of.
Oh, okay, cool.
There we go. So it's on right now.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's neat for sure. Okay, and I see you got a little sink there. And,
yes.
Propane.
And it's got a little propane tank here on the side. I've never had that filled up, but there's still gas in it.
I'll be darned. Now, up underneath it, can I move this out a little bit?
Yeah.
I see it looks like storage and stuff underneath there.
It's a little messy in there.
That's okay. We won't tell nobody. Oh, nice.
Tank for water.
Yeah. Is that for your sink and stuff, I guess?
Yes, correct.
Now, is that a pump sink or is
there is a pump inside here.
Electric pump that you can use? Okay.
But when you have city water hooked up outside, there's just enough pressure that it will work.
Oh, nice.
On its own.
Okay, that's cool.
And then I mentioned the spare tire.
Oh, they put it in there, huh? Wow.
Yeah, so just in case.
Yeah, they utilized all the room, didn't they?
Yes.
Those Germans are something else, aren't they?
There is nothing in here that does not have a purpose. It's
exactly,
crazy.
For sure. That's a really, really neat how they put that spare tire in there and concealed it like that for sure.
Which I've toyed with the idea of getting rid of the tire since I've got the one on the front and just making some extra shelving. And but never messed around with it.
Yeah, definitely. I see something really cool. It looks like your front seat swivels around to the back, huh?
It does.
Unless the passenger has to look back all the time.
Right?
Yeah.
It does swivel around.
Yeah.
There's a table. I didn't get it out, but there's another table there that goes between the seats here.
Oh, that little black thing there?
Yes.
Okay.
And it actually, so the there's two little on each side of the. I can't see it.
We'll go around to the other side here, and Jeff, and look at it.
But it just attaches to the
a little thing,
dashboard, and then there's one pole.
Wow.
And it sits there.
Huh. Now, is this like the toilet, or?
No, it's just. And I
Okay.
don't. It came with. This is aftermarket.
Oh, okay.
But
okay.
storage.
Nice, yeah. Because I have seen some of them that had like little toilets.
Yeah.
Sitting in them.
Yes.
But people didn't use them for that. They use them for storage.
Right. Yeah, and
Yeah.
I think this one. I mean, it fits right in between.
Oh,
the
really?
front seats, and it's got these leather straps that go on those.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see over there.
So it can turn into, I mean, like a bench seat, but
Wow.
no
Yeah,
belt
it's
or anything
needed.
like that. So
Yeah.
nobody gets to sit there.
Yeah, for sure. And I guess these windows are like crank-out windows,
Yes,
then, like
they
the
are.
old '60s houses
Yes.
or mobile homes or
Yep.
whatever. That's kind of neat.
Got them on both sides.
Okay, I see what you're saying there.
That way we get a little air movement in there.
Oh yeah, very cool. And what's in this?
This is the motor.
Really?
That's where all the horsepower is.
Okay. Oh, wow, it's got a little prop and it holds it up too.
Yes. Yep.
That's really neat.
And that's the original motor.
Really?
Yeah. They've rebuilt it.
Yeah.
But it is the original.
Yeah, for sure. Did I ask how long you own this thing?
I've had it 6 years.
Okay. What made you decide you wanted a Volkswagen?
I had one when I was 16.
Okay.
A Beetle.
Yeah.
Always wanted another Beetle, and then my
Okay.
buddy called, and a friend of his family's had this in a garage. It had been sitting there for 20 plus years,
No way.
and it was right
Wow.
up on Highway K.
No kidding.
Yep, sitting here local in a garage for 20 plus years.
How many miles does it have on it roughly?
34,000.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not even broke in yet.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's really cool. Now you say over on this side over here,
Correct. We've got
this is where you plug it in at?
we got city power,
Okay.
so I can just plug an extension cord in here.
Okay, gotcha, yeah.
Which that'll power. I can at that point it won't drain my coach battery for
Right.
the fridge and things
Yeah.
like that. That's a vent for the sink, and then this is
Okay,
the attachment for water.
okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool for sure. Can we open the inside
Yeah.
front so we can look at that? Now you said there was a pole in here someplace that you can stick that table in, right?
There is.
Let me just look down in there.
So the
Oh, I don't see it, but that's okay. Check this out. This is really neat how
my
they
little
put
bamboo parcel tray there.
Yeah.
That's aftermarket.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I
Nice.
found there was not much space to put my phone or my wallet or
Yeah.
anything like that, and saw that, so picked that up.
Wow, that's really neat for sure. Now, from where's the heat at? Where's the heat come from?
Heat comes from the motor.
Okay, and it
So there's actually a fan back there
yeah,
that pushes air by the exhaust.
yeah, yeah.
And then there's tubes that run up to the front.
Oh,
And
okay.
there's
And then
a
it
couple
comes.
of vents there.
Oh,
underneath
where that
the-
green thing is down there.
Yeah, so you've got that, and that is
Okay.
mainly that's like for the defrost, because
Yeah.
that also comes up, and there's vents up on the dash
Okay.
for defrost.
How's that work?
When the motor gets warm,
It's
you can then get heat.
good, good.
Yeah.
That is for sure.
And
Definitely.
then it's also got AC.
Really. Oh, there you go. Hey, that's the best AC actually,
Yes.
without a doubt. How difficult is it to put that tent up and down?
It's not very difficult at all. There's that's like, I don't know what you want to call it. There's just you push it up
Really?
and it'll go up pretty easily.
Well, that's kind of neat for sure. This is awesome.
I've driven last summer. I
Yeah.
drove it to West Virginia.
Really?
Yeah. And it made it. It was a long ride home, but
Yeah.
getting there was pretty easy. We went
Yeah.
halfway, stopped, slept the night in the parking lot, and
Sure.
finished it the
That's
next
what you
day.
can do with this.
Yeah.
I like these little tires and wheels.
Yeah,
Little-
those tires are a little bit smaller than I anticipated.
What size are they?
Oh gosh, too
Which-
small.
Yeah. I can't see it. Oh, 14 inch.
Yeah, so these are 14-inch rims.
Yeah. And the little VW hubcap. That's pretty
Yeah.
cool for sure. Definitely. Well, is there anything else you want to show me on your car?
No, I think that's it.
All right. Well, hey, I really appreciate you taking a
pleasure.
couple minutes out and showing me your
pleasure.
car. This is really a cool car for sure.
I enjoy it, and I enjoy talking about it. For
Oh,
sure.
yeah, that's awesome. All right, folks, well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click the little round logo right up here. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side, this is the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch for watching. I really appreciate it.